I've been using Autopod, and honestly, I didn't think much of it at first. I figured it would be another editing shortcut that only half works. But then I dropped a multi-camera podcast project into Premiere, hit the button, and watched it edit the whole thing in minutes. That's when I realized this could actually save me hours. So what is Autopod? It's a plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro built specifically for podcasters and video creators. Instead of manually cutting between speakers, trimming silences, or formatting clips for social media, Autopod automates the entire process. It's like having an assistant editor who never gets tired. Here's how it works. Once your footage and audio are lined up, Autopod detects who's speaking and automatically switches between camera angles. If one person is talking, it goes to their close-up. If multiple people are in the conversation, it cuts to a wide shot. You can set your own preferences, save presets, and reuse them across episodes so everything feels consistent. But it doesn't stop at podcasts. The social clip creator inside Autopod is a serious time saver. You can generate dozens of vertical or square clips from your full episode in one go, complete with captions, resizing, and branding baked in. That means your show can instantly live on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts without you exporting and reframing each piece manually. Another smart feature is jump cut editing. Autopod analyzes the audio track, removes dead air or long pauses, and tightens up pacing automatically. What used to take hours of scrubbing through waveforms becomes a one-click cleanup. Now the pros are obvious: speed, consistency, and sheer convenience. If you edit podcasts regularly, this tool literally gives you back hours every week, and because it works inside Premiere, you can always fine-tune the results if you want more control. That said, it's not flawless. To get the best out of it, you'll want clean, separate audio tracks for each speaker. If you're running one mixed track across multiple cameras, the automation can sometimes miss the mark. And while it makes editing fast, it doesn't replace a creative editor who wants to shape storytelling, add custom graphics, or build a unique visual style. So who's it for? If you're a podcaster, YouTuber, or agency editing, lots of conversations, Autopod is a game changer. If you're someone chasing high-end cinematic edits, you'll still want manual craftsmanship on top. My verdict? Autopod isn't just hype. It really does slash editing time, especially for multi-camera podcasts and social repurposing. It's not perfect, but for most creators, it's like switching to editing on turbo mode. Tried it yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. And if this review helped, give it a like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.